Alright, irrigation startups, day 2. Awesome, he's growing up so fast.
Doing my job, make sure everything works. Making the client happy. Cut these.
So yeah, I would cut these. I'm just seeing if it works or not. Alright, doing an irrigation startup. Nice little property. We have a zone not working, so we're trying to figure out why it's not working. That zone. Alright, let's just run zone 1.
On schedule, getting this stuff done. Feeling good about it.
Feeling good?
Feeling good. Start up this system.
Yeah.
Make sure everything's running good. No problems. No, none of that.
Some irrigation startups today. Beautiful property. Rookie mistakes. Not walking the full length of the property.
It meant up there in the middle.
This is why we got to walk around the whole property.
I was waiting and waiting. I was like, what the heck? Running through all 14 zones. So far, everyone's working pretty good. We got 2 more to go. Gonna check number 13, I think.
What is this?
This is a backflow.
Your backflow preventer.
Backflow.
What is the purpose?
To get water from your main line to your lateral lines.
It prevents, it allows water from your utility district to your system without preventing it from going back into the system. That?
That's the shut-off valve. Allows all the water to come through. If it's not turned off, nothing's gonna work.
He's growing up so fast.
And then to check it, you find the arrow, which will come from this side. It's on the back side, but
On the front side.
oh, is it? Turn these parallel. The way to test it. Watch out, Johnny. I don't wanna. You can check your test box. They're both doing. If they're both have water coming out, that means it's good, and we're ready to run the zone. Checking the date, make sure it matches today, and then check the time.
Yeah, see what A shows. 7 a.m. That sounds about right.
You check your water days. So she's got Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so 3 days a week.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
And you can check all our zones and how long they run for.
5, 7. Looks like they only have 6 written down.
Alright. And then we can go to test all valves.
Yep. And they had a question about this one. You have your screwdriver on you?
Well, of course.
Interesting.
Needs a new head.
Not sure.
On zone 2.
Yeah, you can take this with you. Still running.
Still running. Check zone 2. Find out where these are. Right here. You got your front beds. Things looking good so far. These plants look amazing. Zone 2 looks good. Zone 3 only looks like it's got 2, 3 heads. I don't know why there's one right there. Johny fixing the head. Check zone 4. Takes a few seconds to cut off and go to the next zone. So now I'm just making sure all the heads are up and rotating and got a good amount of pressure going through them. On to zone 5. Oh, it's got soap. Everything looks good. And this should be our last zone. Things looking good. There it goes. Somewhat.
There it is. Yeah. With a couple rocks and stuff jammed in this. This is what feeds your head to the pipes. Had some dirt in it. That and all that gunk clogged up the head. Well, it is now working beautifully. It is that one. Right there, I don't know if you can tell. Well, we got Austin doing the adjustments for the last head. Then this property is good to go.
Well, that's too big for some of these small spaces.
You haven't even had to crawl under anything yet.